Gonna be an awesome day, man. You're gonna have a VIP close look at the Circuit of Americas, the VIP experience. I met with Alex Marquez yesterday, so stay here with me and I'm riding with Ben, our VIP host, and he's carting us up to the main paddock area in the VIP area, so stay with me. So hey, here's one of the VIP areas. Fixing to go through the line and get breakfast. Man, it's going to be an amazing day. It's just a huge party inside. TVs, full bar, TV, full bar. Everybody inside, adult beverages. Awesome experience. Back here at the Ducati offices, back here behind the paddock. This is my guy Mungus here.
Yes, sir!
And then Brad with Tonic. Here's Mark's dad.
No, pero nada, que se recupere pronto. Mar, fuerza, Mar. Ya, Alejandro, entra. Gracias. Grande, Mar.
Yeah, we
pronto,
want Mark back.
Thank you.
I'm going to give you all some video of the music rooms where they do all the helmet and all the suit fixes. Anybody that's got a scuff or a tear.
All right, yeah.
And he's doing all the fixes on the helmets. This is AGV booth. So you see all these hospitality boxes. These are where all the riders and the teams go after they get done riding. I'm going to show you what goes on inside of them here. I've got access to Honda and Ducati. We'll walk in the Honda real quick.
Don't work too hard, my break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold.
Guy out doing some more signatures and videos. Meaning so hard to meet this guy and to be in the press box or the hip box back there. Awesome day. Once a lifetime deal.
¿Cómo vas? ¿Estás el fin de? Cuarto.
Awesome guy, super person.
This track is the worst one.
Is it really?
Really?
For the physically, yes. For physically,
There's a lot of
Physically
a lot of change direction.
Gotcha.
That is with Mugello the worst one, and later on a lot of break points.
Okay, got you.
Coming really fast.
Really fast,
to
gotcha.
really slow. So that is the worst part. But
Gotcha. And with the change from the Honda to the Ducati, like if you had to pick one thing, like what's your favorite part?
engine.
The engine, yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of easy to see on the straightaway. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So good.
But yeah, I'm very excited to meet you. I'm gonna put this helmet down. I just want to get a picture with you.
Yeah.
You want to take his picture for him, Brad? You can give it to Brad.
Take the picture. Take the picture. Thank you. I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
There's our guy, dude Mungus, Alex Marquez.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you.
Will
so
you take
much.
some
I really
video
appreciate your
of
time.
me real quick? I'm gonna get my little bit of. Thank you for meeting with us today. We're excited to have you on the top.
Yeah, we have
Yeah. Thank you.
Good. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You want me to get some with you, Brian?
Sorry, it's perfect.
Like that? Yeah.
Don't worry. Okay. Thank you.
There you go.